You're a giant dragon now! Save Mimi!
This bridge is like a giant trampoline. We're almost there, Kimi. Whoa! The sky is looking at us. It's the Cloud Guardian.
Solve my riddle to pass. What flies without wings and cries without eyes?
That's a no-brainer. The answer is a cloud.
Yikes! These purple vines again?
Let us go! They're too tight. Khan, Timmi, help us out!
Oh no, Khan is out of energy. He can't transform here.
Wait! Kimi's song is magical! Look! The vines are breaking!
Look! The Golden Palace is right there! We made it!
Come on, the gate is just up there!
We're almost to the Golden Palace!
Look at the colors! Another riddle. Oh! It's a piano! Open the gate! Wait, it needs a song. Everyone, step on the keys together. Teamwork is the real key.
Listening and working together really works. Look, it's reacting.
Whoa! It's actually opening. Look at all that light. Come on, everyone, stay close. We're finally inside. Rich! We're rich! Jimmy, look, that's Mimi. We have to help her.
The shadows are back! They're protecting the cage! Timmi! Watch out! Wait, what's happening?
Timmi! You're a giant dragon now! Save Mimi!
Timmi is totally smashing them. Go, Timmi! Go, Khan!
Free Mimi now!
They're together! Kimi and Mimi are finally reunited.
Whoa! This is incredible!
We're finally safe, Jimi.
Goodbye, friends. We'll miss you. Safe travels, Kimi and Mimi.
Hello friends, Timmi and Mimi have found their wings. But is this the end for Liona and Jimi? What secret are waiting in the next mysterious map? To find out, stay tuned with us. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. Every like helps us bring more magic to your screen. See you in the next episode. Bye bye friends.